Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to create a professional Facebook page on your Facebook account. So you click on this Facebook button, I just click on. You click on create new page. Thereafter you will have to add your brand name here, then category, then your bio. So I just come up with something now guys. I come up with a brand name called Health is Wealth. Then it got some categories are added here. My bio is added here. Then I'll click on the button create page. You have to wait for a few seconds, then it will load and take you to the next page. So now I'm in the next page. I'm asked to add my website link here, my phone number, my email, my location, my town, my postcode. So I will add all these now. So guys, can you see I added all the necessary things here that I showed you a few minutes ago. So you click on next. Everything will automatically save on Facebook. So now it is the section of adding my profile picture and cover photo. So I add it now. So guys, I added the two images section. Then I click on next. So the next place now is to add. Okay, I'm going to skip this for now. Okay, then you have to reach out to your friends to get more engagement on your page quickly. Then I'm going to click on next. Then you turn on this marketing and promotional email about your page. Then click next and done. Sorry, click on done. So guys, to complete this full 13 steps, you have to click on this add an action button. I want to add an action button right now. Wait a few seconds, it will load. Then you click on try it. So as you can see guys, there are different types of buttons here. There is book now button, there is sign up button, there is start order button, there is view shop button. So I'm going to click on this view shop. So there is get ticket button, send message, send WhatsApp message, call now, send image, contact us, learn more, watch now. Watch now, this watch now you could use it for a page that is based on YouTube. So that people can watch now, or a page that you have all the products in video form. So view group, play game, buy now. So I'm clicking on the first one I clicked on. So then I'll click on next. So after next, yes, I'll click on this link on the website. And then next. So I'll add my website link here. So guys, website link is added. Then I click on save. So guys, you see this moved up a little bit. So I want to invite friends to my page. I'll just add up some little bit of my friends. I will just add them up and invite them to the page. Guys, invitation have been sent to my friends. So I'll click on continue. Publishing a post now. Help. So guys, I'm posting now on my page. So in the post there is a content, there is my website link, and there are little bit hashtag there. So make the hashtag related to what you are doing on the page. So guys, my page is connected successfully to my WhatsApp. Now I want to connect my page with my Instagram. Yes, connect. Click on connect, then you click on confirm. This browser is a Instagram account of mine, so I'll click on approve. Okay. I can see a notification here that this Instagram is connected to a Facebook page on this same account. Okay, next. switch connection. So I'm switching the connection from the previous page I have to this new page now. I like the connection of my favorite page with my Instagram page. So I'm switching it from one to another. So guys, can you see Instagram account connected successfully? Then I'll click on done. So now we'll go back to our page. So guys, we did it together. We're all set to go now. So all the 13 steps is completed successfully in this Facebook page. As you can see, it's done successfully. So guys, if you understand my video, if you understand what I'm saying, if you get me, and if you want to learn more every day, please kindly turn on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and stay tuned for my next video. Speak to you soon, guys.